Hey, I made a quick job video, a Mia talk, about what jobs teens can and can't do. Want to see what I swiped on? Let's find out which jobs you can do or can't do, and how to say it in ASL. Zane, I saw your job swipe video. It was awesome. I was signing along. Retail, I can. Mow, I can't. Want to practice more together? Wait. You practice with me too. Get ready to sign with us. Let's learn some job signs. Watch closely. Babysit. Babysit. Mow. Mow. Server. Server. Barista. Barista. Barista, I can. Mow, I can't. You try. Sign one job you can do. Let's do a quick check. Ready? Can you remember the job signs we just learned? When the answers appear on the screen, point to the correct one or fingerspell it. Great job! Mow. Do you remember this one? Awesome! Server. Okay, what about this one? Excellent! Babysit. Last one. Nice job! If you weren't sure, that's totally fine. Just rewind and try again. All right. Ready to learn a few more job signs? Watch closely. These are common ones you might see in your neighborhood. Walk, dog. Walk, dog. Cashier. Cashier. Retail. Retail. Great job! Now, Let's try these in full sentences. Remember, we use can or can't to say whether we're able to do something. Server, I can. Try it with me. Server, I can. Walk dog, I can't. Your turn. Sign it with me. Walk dog, I can't. Let's practice a few more together. Copy me. Cashier, I can. Cashier, I can. Mow, I can't. Mow, I can't. You're doing great. Let's talk together now. Your turn. This is a yes or no question. Can you babysit? You try to sign. Babysit, I can. Babysit, I can't. How about mow the lawn? Can you mow? Mow, I can. Mow, I can't. Nice. Let's try one more. Can you be a server? Server, I can. Server, I can't. Great job! Let's go back to the swipe game. What job did I swipe right on? I swiped right on cashier. I can cashier. Now it's your turn. What job would you swipe right on? Think about it. Can you walk dogs? Work retail? Babysit? Keep swiping, keep practicing. Watch the video again and sign with us. You're learning how to say what you can do. That's amazing. See you next time.
Hey, hey.